I got the repair.
Repairing.
Okay, mate.
Got it.
Kill the engineer on my side.
Co-engineer on
Bomb bag.
left.
I got the repair. Oh shit.
I can't interrupt him this spec.
I fucking popped disengaged.
That's alright, I got it.
Fuck my life.
If you got a
Our
spare bomb,
operator's
leg
down.
it onto the left.
I got
I've
the
got one.
repair.
You can force it to the next phase. No side is clear.
I'm coming.
Just got
Cool
3% on ours.
Okay, he's dead.
So let's get these engineers down.
Sorry.
Okay, get slag elementalist. There we go.
Sab, you're up next.
Yep.
Got Rupture.
Elementalist.
Go, 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 go. Healing. Kill all fire
Feldspar.
callers.
Feldspar
dead.
down. Nice.
Yep, so onto the fire callers, guys, as Brummy said. Nice whoever's always stacked the elemental.
Please call it out if you see 3 fire callers I've missed.
Okay, elemental's about to go down.
Elemental down.
Elementalist. Go, go.
So onto the fire
Fire
callers.
callers.
I've got a slag elemental here, or I don't. Need one here. Anyone else with one on that we're not DPS and just try and move it to the next one.
Slag in the mantle going down.
It's going down now. Elementalist.
Elementalist.
It's all on skull, guys. And then we need
Rallying.
to switch on to the fire callers.
I'm gonna take this.
Pride, move away from me. Just for a minute.
Nuke him, guys.
Nice.
Nice.
Yes.
Let's get this fire caller down.
I got an elementalist or a slag on me.
So
Still one fire caller.
Got 2 fire callers up.
Oh,
Last one going down now.
Okay, all on skull.
Elementalist.
Use your bubble if you have it.
Yep, will do.
I have a fire caller on me.
Okay,
Stack.
fire caller.
Kill security guards.
Stack in the corner here.
Fire caller first.
We'll need to stack and then get the fire callers, guys.
Bring him into the corner.
What, the boss? Or what?
Well, I think so. Shouldn't we stack?
Yeah.
Aren't they supposed to move in a circle around this area?
Yep.
Since when does that change?
Only move if
big
you
circle.
get to less space.
Don't stand in that. Move, boss.
Range
I
Like,
think-
we
stack,
need to
please.
taunt now,
Right, now
Max.
stack on top of each other.
Can we pop
Max, can you
Bloodlust?
take him?
Yes. Keypads,
so.
if you can.
Pre-pot.
We've got 2 barrel reses, so if you see someone go down, grab them.
Okay. Everyone move towards the entrance.
Now you can take it back.
Moving slightly back.
Move away from the puddle. Might want to just move the boss.
What to do with these
Right,
slags? Just lose them?
Just nuke boss. You can't
Yeah.
do anything about it.
Ignore
All
them.
on boss.
Move the boss quite a bit
Move
now.
boss. Use your pots if you haven't.
I'm gonna take next blast.
Well, I can't because I've got no mana.
Okay, get ready
Have
to move again.
magic up still if you need it.
Move the boss a lot.
Take it.
Still have 2 stacks, Max.
Got lots of room. Use this corner here.
Almost there.
Pop your
Good change.
cooldowns, guys.
Watch it. I got cool.
Range stack, please.
Come on. Vigil
Stack
Max.
on laser, guys.
Move.
Move.
Come on!
Here we go.
Keep moving them around.
Yeah!
Nice.
Nicely done, guys.